You might be thinking that why I am sitting down on the ground. So because ta ta ta, we are going to pack for vacation. So I am going to my hometown. So which is Kerala by the way. So let's start packing. I'm going to wait. Why my camera is. So you can see their dresses are hanging there. So that's we have to pack in this. So let's begin packing and folding. There are a lot of stuff to fold, and also I'm going to tell you how to fold in this small cabin crew size bag. So let's start packing and folding also. So I have to fold this in this cabin crew size suitcase. I am also trying a new way to record my voice in this phone so that the quality of my voice would increase. So comment down below how it is, and let's start packing. So here I am going to first pack shawls because it will take less space and less amount of time to pack it in the suitcase. So that's why I'm going to do the shawls. And also try to fold it as small as possible because it will take less space and you could pack there more clothes. So now I am going to tackle the jeans section. So I am tackling the jeans section at first after the shorts because it is going to take a lot of space. So to conserve that space we have to do it in the second layer. So So the jeans are done, and now we have to do the tops only. So I'm keeping it this way only because if I have space then I could add a little bit more in this side like undergarments, etc, etc. So let's start with the tops, which includes all the category of the tops like shirt, t-shirts, tops, long socks, etc. So now I am going to tackle the top sections which I have mentioned already. This category, the whole category of tops. And I am going to fold them and pack them on the opposite side where the jeans have packed. Because I have to add a lot of tops and another thing. And so so that's why I am folding them and packing them on the other side of the suitcase. So now we have folded the tops here and I have closed it.